So let's talk about metronidazole. Metronidazole diffuses into the organism, inhibits protein synthesis by interacting with DNA, and cause a loss of helical DNA structure and strand breakage. Well, because of this, cell death occurs in susceptible organisms. Metronidazole is active against bacterial infections, commonly known as bacteroids, and other than that, it is really active against the protozoal infections as well, including Entamoeba histolytica, Giardia lamblia, Trichomonas vaginalis. If we talk about its pharmacokinetics, it is orally absorbed and can be administered parenterally as well, and it is active against anaerobic organisms. It is widely distributed in the tissues, crossing the blood-brain barrier and penetrating into abscesses. It is commonly metabolized in the liver and excreted in the urine. Usually, metronidazole is well tolerated, except that it cannot be taken with alcohol. Some common adverse effects of metronidazole include headache, dizziness, stomach aches, and nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and the metallic taste of the tongue. Do consult your doctor promptly if you have these kind of symptoms. So this was all about the metronidazole. Stick around for more.